I'm on a mission to find the best shisanyama in the country, and today I'm at KwaDabega Cash Butchery located at KwaDabega KK Hostels. They're apparently serving up some of the best meat in town, so I had to pay them a visit. So my order consisted of beef short rib, pork chops, kidneys, vorsis, chicken wings, and kawa, all of which costed just under 700 rand. You're greeted by a friendly staff member. Once you ordered your meat, you hand it over to the braai master, and in no time they serve it to your table, or you can have it as a take. I must say I had an absolutely pleasant experience. The meat was extremely delicious, very affordable, and yabona 600 is an absolute bargain. It was my first time trying out inhliziyo yenkomo, and I think I'm here to decide whether or not I like it. Everything else was amazing, and a special mention to the wings and the dipping sauce. Absolutely amazing. Overall, I'm gonna rate this shisanyama a solid 8.8 out of 10. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to comment below which shisanyama you guys would like me to try out next. And once again, I'll be seeing you in the next one.